If this marks the end of college basketball as we once knew it, the sport's transformation received a roaring, standing ovation in Tuscaloosa. Former Alabama center Charles Bediako, who was playing in the G League just a week ago, checked into Saturday's game to a thunderous welcome from the home crowd. He proceeded to score 13 points, showcasing the rim-running presence the Crimson Tide had been missing. Alabama's decision to play Bediako was made possible by a temporary restraining order against the NCAA, which had denied his waiver for eligibility. This move is not an isolated act of rebellion, but a calculated strategy born from necessity. The team desperately needed a backup big man. However, it signals a potential sea change in the sport, where long-standing rules are crumbling. Bediako's case follows that of Baylor's James Nnaji, a former NBA draft pick who was granted a waiver to play collegiately this season. These situations expose a new reality. The line between professional and college athlete is virtually disappearing. The NCAA, described by experts as structurally vulnerable, is increasingly powerless to enforce its own guidelines as schools exploit legal loopholes. The key strategy is forum shopping, filing lawsuits in local friendly courts. Alabama secured its restraining order from a Tuscaloosa County judge, who is a major donor to the university. This mirrors other cases like Ole Miss quarterback Trinidad Chambliss filing his lawsuit in a court a mile from campus, overseen by an Ole Miss alum. Duke is employing a similar tactic in a lawsuit against a former player. This legal maneuvering creates a system where the rules can vary depending on geography and local judicial favor. As one attorney noted, if you can file a case in a favorable forum, you're probably going to get a good result. For schools, it's a winning strategy. For fans, it's a chance to cheer for a needed player. As Bediako left the court, he signed a fan's handmade sign that read, "Bama pay dollar better," a surreal symbol of the new era. While coaches around the sport warn that the foundation is becoming dangerously shaky, in arenas like Coleman Coliseum, fans are rising to their feet to applaud its erosion. The game on the court ended in a loss for Alabama, but the larger battle over who controls college athletics may have just seen a decisive and noisy shift.